Hey everybody, it's Sally from Sallystampers. Thank you for joining me today. Today I am bringing you a very simple but very attractive table favour. I've called it my fancy favour Ferrero. It is just lovely. I love these and obviously recently got a box, hence so many projects having them involved. But yeah, you can add a glue dot to the bottom. I didn't want to because, well, just because. But look how simple they are. And yet I just think gorgeous, sat on a table, perfect. I'll show you how to make them. Oh, and back to the naughty dog. Can you see? Can you see? I found it at the top of the stairs with her sat looking at me with a very naughty face. That was the day that I also learnt that I need to keep my craft room door shut, and I have done since then when there's chocolate on the floor. Right. Super simple these are. So piece of cardstock, 3.5 by 3.5 centimetres. I don't know, inches. I don't know why I've not done centimetres on this, so I do apologise. 3.5 by 3.5. We're going to score it at 1 3/4. Rotate, score at 1 3/4. Potentially, I haven't done them in centimetres, but let's be honest, if you wanted to make one of these, you simply need a square of card that's going to fit your chocolate on nicely, and then have 4 squares. Be able to score it in half, simple as that. So fold and burnish. Then it's going to get that dreaded ruler out. Okay, so we're going to score from top centre to the outside on both sides. Top centre to the side. Top centre to the side. So in effect, oops, we're making what looks like a little house. Okay, I'm going to fold that out, burnish, fold that one out, burnish. One cut straight down the centre there. That's it. That's the only cut you need. You then need your DSP. So I'm going with this pretty, or shall I go with the same paper? It's different card. Yeah, let's do it that way. So I have 3 squares that are 1.5 by 1.5. So they are 1/4 of an inch shorter. So the first square is going on whole. Famous last words. Onto this square here. These two we are going to cut. Back in with my lovely trimmer. So I'm simply going to pop this corner into the track here so that the point sits in the running track for the blade, and then I'm just going to slightly adjust it so that the bottom corner is also in the track. Press it down, cut. I have my 2 triangles, so I'm going to repeat with the second piece. So into the track with both corners and cut. And that's it for that part. And then you are simply going to adhere these onto your triangles. Same again on the other side here. And again here. Perfect. The last thing is then to add some adhesive onto the plain square, and then you're just going to fold it underneath, so you're making like a box. Press it down, fold these out and pop your Ferrero on. That's it. So all we need to do now is to decorate with a little sentiment. So I have Penguin Place, I have some real red, I have some basic white. I wanted a teeny tiny sentiment, so I've gone with the Season's Greetings onto here. And then all I need to do is just trim that. Trim that bit there too. And the way I stuck this onto here was with some glue dots. And I also need to add my gold holly leaves, which I've nearly run out of. Oops. I just used 2 of the smaller ones because there are 2 sizes in there. Oh, crumbs. Try again. Why can't I get that lid on? There we go. 2 smaller ones. So I'm just going to get my glue dot on the back here for my holly leaves. My dogs are going to bark in a second because there's a car pulled up outside. It's not coming here, but they will still bark. So I'm going to pop one there and one there, just on cue. And then your last 2 glue dots are just doing their job, aren't they? Just telling me there's somebody outside. And these 2 glue dots, I do apologise, they will stop in a minute, will sit on the cross of that. And there you have it. And this is why they need... Girls, it's okay. And that's why these need to be adhered on, really. But how lovely are they? I just think they would be fab on a Christmas table. Or you could have them as desserts, really, couldn't you? But how lovely. And so easy. And scraps of paper, scraps of card, everything perfect. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you all again very soon. Bye.